Customer flow control has become essential to meet the latest safety standards imposed by COVID-19 pandemic. Conventional methods are no longer sustainable due to their low accuracy, high risk, and inefficiency. Dahua's solutions for retail industry enable an automatic and advanced management of customer flow in any context, providing cutting-edge features, along with a wide range of displays and user-friendly interfaces for both guests and staff. All systems are easy to deploy, offering fast, contactless and high-accurate technologies to create a safer shopping environment. There are 3 different configurations. The Smart solution, consisting of an AI camera and a signaling device at the entrance, manageable via app on smartphone or tablet. The Standard solution, which also includes an NVR recorder and a monitor to show real-time and dynamic info, like the number of places available. And the Premium solution that provides the ultimate experience in lining up multiple cameras, digital signage whose screen can be split to show the info on entries and exits and play multimedia content, and monitor, all centralized by DSS Pro software platform. Dahua. We see, we care. We are with you in every moment.